Fantastic. Here she comes. We're not going that way. Come on back. Come on back. Come on. This way. Good girl. There you go. There you go. There we go. See if we have better exposures or less pixelated in the shade. Whoa, this is gonna make me nauseous. Oh. Are we ready? Maggie's going to slop in the mud. As usual. I'll be glad when there's snow and she can't do this. Hazel's gonna slop in the mud. Hazel's too much of a lady to do that, right? Not your cup of tea. There goes Maggie in the mire. Mucky Maggie. Hazel's exploring. Are you exploring? I don't like to go that way. It's too close to the road. And it's not even pretty. It's not even pretty. She's having an adventure. I don't know if you can see her back there in the trees. Let's boogie. There she comes. There you go. Whoa. As long as you got food in your pocket, you're golden.